Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to remove the posted by information and publish date from your WordPress newsletter. In this tutorial, we will walk through every stage of the process to ensure that you achieve the desired results in a simple and effective manner. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. This is the starting point of our process, and by doing so you will be taken to the home page where various options are available. Once the page is fully loaded, carefully move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see a login option. Click on this to proceed to the authentication step, which ensures that only authorized users can make the changes to the settings. After clicking the login option, the next instruction is to sign in using your Google account. You will see an option labeled Continue with Google. Select this option and a list of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the account that is associated with your WordPress site. This method simplifies the login process by connecting your widely used Google account with WordPress for quick access. Upon successful login, you need to navigate to the settings section. From your WordPress dashboard, locate and click on the settings option. This section is central to modifying various configurations of your site, and today it will be used to adjust the newsletter settings. Although the settings page may contain multiple options, our focus will be on the newsletter configuration settings. Once you have moved over to the settings area, find the newsletter section. Clicking on newsletter will take you to the specific area where you can customize how your newsletter content appears. In this area, you have many choices in terms of what is displayed when your newsletter is sent out. It is here that you can remove unwanted information such as the author, display name, and the post date. Scroll down until you reach the middle of the page, where you will notice the option titled Show Author Display Name. This feature, when enabled, shows the name of the person who posted the content as part of the newsletter. To remove this information, simply toggle off the option. This step is crucial if you want your newsletter to appear more neutral or to focus solely on the content without attributing it directly to the author. Continuing further down the page, you will see another option labeled Add the Post Date. Similar to the previous setting, this feature automatically includes the date when the post was published in your newsletter. To remove the date from appearing, turn this setting off as well. By deactivating these options, you ensure that your newsletter reflects only the content that you want your recipients to see, free from any additional metadata like publication details. The final step in this process is to save your changes. Look for the Save Settings button and click on it to apply the new configuration. Saving your settings is essential because it writes the adjustments to the site's configuration, ensuring that future newsletters do not display the author's name or the post date. Once you have confirmed your changes by clicking Save Settings, you have successfully optimized your newsletter presentation according to your preferences. Thank you for following this guide. By completing these steps, you now know how to remove the posted by information and the published date from your WordPress newsletter in a matter of minutes. Enjoy your streamlined newsletter appearance and feel confident that your settings will remain as desired.